Hey, it's Anna from WTI. I am such a huge fan of this Coleman 8-person tent. I have had this tent for such a long time now, and it is my favorite part about camping. It is so big, it is so easy to put up. They advertise that it only takes 15 minutes to set up, and they're not wrong. It is so easy to put together. I love how simple the design is. They have the instructions sewn into the bag where you keep the tent, which I love that feature because how easy is it to lose a piece of paper and not know how to put your tent together? They color coordinated the sleeves that you put the different poles into, so it is so simple to follow the instructions. I am about 5'4", 5'5" on a good day, and I can stand completely straight up through the entirety of this tent. My husband is 5'11", and he can stand up. He has to hunch a little, but right in the center, he can stand completely straight up without having to hunch. It has a really great little zipper on the side for power if you want to string a power cord into your tent for charging things. It can fit 3 queen size air mattresses in it. We've even been in this tent in the rain and stayed perfectly dry. So I love this tent. I think that if you are looking to get a new tent for any of your camping adventures or just to have something on hand if you need somewhere to stay on the go, then this tent is the one for you. I think it's perfect, and that is my point of view.